When you're looking for a checking account that does more than just hold your money, a high-yield option becomes interesting. You want something that pays you interest, has smart features, and works smoothly across your daily life. Today, we'll compare SoFi Checking and Chime because both bring interesting features, but their focus and trade-offs differ. Let's start with SoFi Checking. SoFi's account offers strong value. No monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees in many cases, and competitive interest on balances when you meet certain criteria. For example, with qualified direct deposit or qualifying deposits, you can earn up to around 3.80% annual percentage yield on savings balances, and a base checking yield, though much lower, when conditions are met. On top of that, SoFi provides features like access to a large fee-free ATM network, mobile banking tools, and combined checking and savings under one account. The big caveat is that the high yield is tied to meeting conditions, direct deposit or depositing a set amount during a period. If you don't meet those, you might earn a much lower rate. Now let's look at Chime. Chime markets itself as a simple, mobile-first banking experience with no monthly fees and easy setup. Their checking account is free to open and use, and they pair it with a savings account that offers a high yield when you enroll in Chime's special membership, Chime Plus. For example, Chime's high-yield savings account can reach something like 3.75% annual percentage yield when you meet conditions like direct deposit. However, when it comes to the checking portion alone, Chime's advertised high yield is less pronounced or tied more to savings features than pure checking interest. They emphasize automatic savings tools, roundups, and cashback deals. So if your focus is a checking account that behaves like a high-yield account, Chime gives you a strong savings bonus, but the checking side may not pay as much unless you route it through savings or meet membership conditions. So how do you decide which one is best for you? If your goal is to have a checking account that earns interest and you are comfortable with setting up direct deposits, meeting qualifying deposit criteria, and you value a full online banking ecosystem, SoFi is compelling. It offers a straightforward checking and savings combo, good mobile tools, and a high yield when you meet the conditions. Both are strong options. The right one depends on how you use your checking account, how much banking behavior you're willing to commit to, and where you want most of your attention. Checking yield versus simplicity.